guys, today I'm going to be fishing the Flint River. Today is Wednesday, April 17th. It's about 9:45 a.m. So to get started, I'm just going to throw this little soft plastic around. If that doesn't work out, I'm going to switch over to some hard baits, but I'll keep you updated on what I'm using today. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rigged up and fish this little pool right here, see if I have any luck. Alright, cast number one. So surprisingly, or not surprisingly, I'm almost completely out of these 1/16 ounce jig heads. Should have stopped and got some more. I think it was 16 of them, and I'm already almost out from breaking off and getting caught up on sticks and whatnot. This river's moving a lot slower than it normally is, but the water is not as clear. Oh my gosh. Oh man. There's normally fishing around over here. There we go. Speak of the Well, I'm at a 1/16 ounce jig heads now, so instead of scaling down to 1/32, I scaled up. So I'm gonna be throwing this little grub around for a while with a chartreuse head. Hopefully I can get into some fish using this. Sucks, man, I need to buy some more jig heads. I really like that size, it's been effective here recently. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch spots now and move to the other side of the bridge. I've never walked up and down that side and fished, so I'm gonna give that a shot today. Finally. Another little tiny bluegill, but we'll take it. It's been a rough day, man. Fish number 2 on the board, little bluegill. Kept getting all these little tiny pecks. Alright guys, so I've been here about 2 hours now. I've only managed to catch those 2 bluegill. So instead of pacing up and down these banks, I'm going to go ahead and leave and go to a pond. There's actually a pond out front here, but I never have any success there. I might stop and give a few casts, but if not, I'm going to head back to a pond that's closer to my house. Alright guys, so there's actually 2 ponds located on this property. I've actually only fished one. Every single time I've been here, there's been a lot of rain and there's been flooding leading up to this pond. So today I just made the commitment to get soggy feet. I couldn't find my boots, so I have soggy feet now, which is definitely unpleasant. But yeah, so I committed to coming back here and fishing. I probably will have this whole boardwalk to myself just because probably nobody else will want to have soggy feet, I'm guessing, unless they have boots. But it's my first time fishing this pond. I'm gonna go ahead and get rigged up and get started. Oh wow, I literally just saw him come up and take that. Well, that was very... Look at it, up in the eye. Alright, got my first fish out this little pond. Nice little largemouth. Go ahead and release him. Oh, there we go. Whew. Alright, the 4th fish of the day, little bluegill. Let's let him go. Finally. Little crappie. Guys, just broke off my last jig head for real. This was my last one, so I'm probably gonna go buy some more, probably this evening or tomorrow, but that's gonna be it for the day. Hope everybody's having a good week. Tight lines. Catch you next time.